In this video, I will show you how to use a USB drive just like this one over here on your Google TV so you can watch content like videos, pictures and even listen to music from your USB drive on your Google TV. Now first things first, it is important to note that not all USB drive can actually work on your Google TV. For your USB drive to be able to work on your Google TV and be compatible, it has to be formatted at MS-DOS FAT at 32. Now, while some USB drives are already formatted at MS-DOS FAT at 32 by default, some are not. But trust me, the process of formatting your USB drive to MS-DOS FAT 32 is not so difficult. It is something you can do with your laptop, whether it's a MacBook or a Windows laptop. I will show you how to do this in a second. Now, to format your USB drive to MS-DOS FAT at 32, first thing you want to do is to go ahead and connect your USB drive to your laptop. In this case, I am using a MacBook over here, but you can do this on your Windows laptop as well. Now once it is connected, you want to go ahead and open up the Finder app, which is the equivalent of the File Explorer in the case of your Windows laptop. Now if you're using a Windows laptop, what you can just do is to go ahead and find your connected USB drive. In my case, this is it over here, and what you just want to do is to go ahead and right click on it, and you're going to see the options to format the USB drive. Go ahead and select format and then choose the MS-DOS FAT at 32. In the case of a MacBook just like this one over here, what you want to do is to go over to the applications folder over here, and then you just want to scroll down to where you have utilities. You can literally see it over here. Go ahead and expand it and then scroll down to where you have disk utility. You can literally see that over there. Now double click on it and now go ahead and select your USB drive, which you can see over here. Now you can now format the USB drive by clicking on the erase button over here, and now you want to go ahead and select MS-DOS FAT at 32. So make sure that it is actually formatted at MS-DOS FAT at 32. And finally, once you've been able to successfully format your USB drive to MS-DOS FAT 32, you can now go ahead and connect it to any of the USB ports on your Google TV. Now my Google TV over here has just one USB port, so I'll just go ahead and connect it to that USB port on the Google TV. But if your Google TV has more than one USB port, you want to go ahead and just connect it to any of the USB ports on the TV. Now finally, you want to come over to the remote control of your Google TV. Just go ahead and press on the input button. Now from the input section, you want to just go ahead and select media, and you should see your USB drive that is being connected to your Google TV. Alternatively, what you can also do is to come over to the app section of your Google TV, and then you just want to scroll over to this search bar over here, and you can go ahead and search and download for any media player app or even any file manager app on your Google TV. Now if you come over here, in my case, I will just come over to the recommended section and then go ahead and download this file manager over here. Now once this app is downloaded and installed into your Google TV, you should be able to see all of the USB devices and storage of your Google TV from the file manager. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.